Listen. Okay. So in the last class, okay, we discussed about contrapositive statements and converse statements. Is it clear? Contrapositive and converse statements. Annette,
Yes, ma'am.
what about Aditya Satyan? Karthik? I'll give one or two. Hmm? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll give one or two sentences. Write the contrapositive and converse. After that, we can start with the next logical reasoning. We can start. Okay. Write the next one. Quantifiers and all we completed, isn't it? Quantifiers we did. Is it clear? Quantifiers, there are some words which we are using. Okay, that one we call it as quantifiers. Write the question. Write the converse. If something has low temperature, then it is cold. If something has low temperature, it is cold. If something has low temperature, then it is cold. Can you write the contrapositive of this statement? Can you give the contrapositive of this statement? If something has low temperature, then it is cold. Yes. Can you give the contrapositive? What is the answer? What is the answer, Karthik?
If something is cold, then it has no temperature.
Contrapositive, how will you write? If something is not cold, isn't it? Contrapositive, is it like that? If something is not cold, then it has no low temperature. Aishwarya, what is your answer?
Yes, that is it.
Right, the next one's contrapositive. If you do not work hard, then you will fail in the test. If you do not work hard, then you will fail in the test. If you do not work hard, then you will fail in the test. Can you give the contrapositive? No, questions. What is the answer? Aishwarya. Annette. Aishwarya, keep quiet. Annette, give the answer, Annette.
If you don't fail in the test, then you have worked hard.
Okay. Aishwarya, what is your answer, Aishwarya?
If you do not fail in the test, then you must have worked hard.
Okay. If you have not failed in the test, then you have worked, then you have Worked hard. Okay. Now, converse. Write the converse of the following statements. Write the converse of the following statements. If you can vote, then you are more than 18 years old. If you can vote, then you are more than 18 years old. If you can vote, then you are more than 18 years old. Can you give the converse? Can you give the converse of the statement? Yes, Karthik, give the converse.
If you are more than 18 years old, you can vote.
If you are more than 18 years old, then you can vote. Okay, is it correct, Anila Mohanan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, is it clear when a sentence is given how to write the contrapositive? Contrapositive means the meaning should not be changed. Both the okay, both the components will be writing the negation. Converse, we are not changing the meaning. If P implies Q means we should write Q implies P. P gives Q means we are giving Q gives P. That's what we call it as converse. Is it clear, Aparna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now write the next one, logical reasoning. Logical reasoning. So in logical reasoning, few things you are going to learn. Okay, these are the things you will be using when you go for any competitive exam, PSC exams and all. When you go for any entrance exam and all, you need all these things. Logical reasoning. Under that, coding, decoding. We learned about coding, decoding, isn't it? I gave one project to you. Coding. Instead of some alphabet, you will be using prime numbers. The same way here also. We are going to learn about coding, decoding. Coding, decoding. So under that, first one we are going to learn is letter coding. The first one we are going to learn is letter coding. Letter coding. See, how many letters are there in English alphabet? Okay, so assign the numbers. Okay, whenever you are asked this letter coding, you will be using the alphabets and all, you will be representing in terms of numbers. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, 2, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So A, okay, this is how we number the alphabet. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, okay, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now is it okay? 26 alphabets are there. Now I am going to ask some questions. You have to tell me. In a certain language, Lucknow is coded as. In a certain language, Lucknow is coded as NWEMPQY. If Lucknow is coded as NWEMPQY, how is Delhi coded? How is Delhi coded? Find the answer. What will be the answer, children? Lucknow, we are writing it as NWEMPQY. Then how will you write Delhi? What is the answer? Look at the relation. L. L. Then look at the alphabets. L, M, N. M we are leaving and we are writing the next alphabet N, isn't it? Likewise U, V we will leave W, C, D, E. So what will be Delhi? How will you code Delhi? Are you able to follow this, children? If you take L, then M we will leave, the next alphabet we are writing. U, V we are leaving, and the next alphabet W. Is it okay, Anila Mohanan? Can you understand? Huh?
Yes.
Huh? Yeah, Annette, is it okay, Annette? C, what is the letter we are using? C, D, E. So one letter we leave. So the next one is E. Likewise, you find out for Delhi what is the answer. What will be the coding? Aishwarya, is it okay? You understand this one?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer? Aishwarya. Others, check your answers. Okay. Can you give the answer, Aishwarya?
F, G, N, J, K.
F, G, N, J, K. Is it correct, Karthik?
Ma'am, doing, ma'am.
Do it. You have to leave one letter and write the next one. Leave one alphabet and write the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya Satyan, are you getting this answer, Aditya Satyan?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll give the next one. Suppose India is coded as KMFHC. So how America will be coded? How America will be coded? Find out. How? If you look at the first letter, I, then J, K, isn't it? J, K. We are adding plus 2 here. What about N? From N, how will you get M? We are right.
-1.
-1. One letter here. What about D, E, F? Plus 2. Then for I, G, H, is it -1? If you take A, again plus 2, isn't it? Alternatively, we are doing plus 2 and -1. Plus 2, -1 and so on. So how will you write America? So these are the different ways where we can use. Okay, first you have to identify which coding. That one you have to identify. Then you have to do.
CLGQKBC.
C. Can you repeat? CL,
GQ
GQ,
KBC.
KBC. GLK, CLGQ, KBC. Is it correct, Janet?
Ma'am.
Huh? Yes. Are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
So no particular formula and all is there. That's what we call this as logical reasoning. No, if formula is there means you will be applying. It is not like this. You have to think it. How is it is it increased or decreased? Something is there. Some method will be used here for decoding and coding and decoding. Now write the next one. Write the next one. If in certain language, joker is written as joker. If in certain language joker is written as QL, it is written as QLPVI. QLPVI. How clown is coded? How clown is coded? If in certain language joker is coded as QLPVI. How clown is coded? See, one technique I want to teach you children. Okay, one more method. Listen to this method. Afterwards, you can do this one. See, actually, 26 alphabets are there. We have learned about median, isn't it? We have learned about median. Suppose A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, U, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So which one we can take it as median? Between 13th and 14th only we'll get, isn't it? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you can keep this line between M and N as line of symmetry. Okay, sometimes this is the technique will be used. Instead of +1, -1, what they will use is the line of symmetry. M you can write with N. L they will write with O. Is it okay? Suppose my name is starting with LA. Okay, Lavanya means what I will do? L. What is the equivalent letter? For L, here it is two places. So O. A, this is the last letter. So here what is the last letter? Z. Is it clear? This is another way. It is not that all the time we will be adding +1 and all. This is another way we will use to do. Then V, for V, here it is V, isn't it? V is UV. So 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth letter from this end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth letter. Again A will be Z, N. N will become M. Y, second last letter. So here it is B. A will be Z. So this is another way. Now find out which method is applied there. So many methods are there, children. These are only simple methods you are learning. You have to identify it. That is the thing needed here. So this is letter coding we are learning. For instead of some letter, we are writing another letter coding.
XOLDM.
The previous one you are saying clown. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
XOLDM.
So here we are using that line of symmetry. Is it the method used or what is the method you used here, Karthik?
Ma'am, I use different one.
Which one?
For a kind of similar that I reverse the letters.
Reverse the letters in the sense. Can you repeat?
I wrote A to Z. First, then I wrote from Z, Y, X. Then I wrote it in reverse.
Okay, okay. You wrote the alphabets in the reverse order like this. A, B, C, D, etc. Is it? Then here you wrote Z, A. Okay, Z. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, like this. Okay. That is it. Is it clear, children? What is the method? Okay. So you have to find. That is the thing. There is no way to give a particular method. This is the method. This is the formula. No formula and all. To apply, you have to reasoning. Reasoning means you have to apply your knowledge. What are the things you have? Apply your skill and you have to find. Now, is it okay? This is what we call it as letter coding. Letter coding. Letter coding. We use some same letters. We are using English alphabets itself, but we are using some rule and we are sending the message. Okay. In project, what we did, what is the assignment I gave? We are using prime numbers for coding, isn't it? Now write the next one. Group number coding. Number coding. Number coding. So English alphabet. Suppose a word is given, we will be sending it as a message in the form of numbers. Number coding. If Rahul is coded as 25, sorry, not 25, 22, 5, 12, 25, 16. 22, 5, 12, 25, 16. Then how will you code Virat? Shubham, can you understand this one, Shubham? Are you able? Okay. Now look at it. What is the rule? If you identify the rule, you can give this one easily. Aparna, are you getting the answer?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay. Once you get the rule, you say, okay, give the answer. What is the rule?
Ma'am, we should plus 4.
Is it plus 4? So Rahul's alphabet we have to find out, isn't it? Let me take the previous screen. Alphabets. This is the code. Okay. Rahul. R, what is the number we are using here? 18. But here it is given as 22. Okay. Okay. It is correct. 1. It is become 5. We are adding plus 4. Okay. Correct, Karthik. So this is one way. Okay, it's not only one method. So many methods are there. This is one way. You can add a number, a constant number we are adding. Or same way you can subtract a constant number and you can make your own method. Okay, write the next one. Suppose N, capital letter N is coded as 28. Suppose N is coded as 28. N. Whenever we have the alphabet N, we are writing it as 28. X, we are writing it as 48. X, we are writing it as 48. Cut is coded as 88. Then what is the code for put? N, we are writing 28. X is 48. Cut, if we are coding it as 88, then what is the code for put?
And put is 98.
Put is 98. No. Put is 98. What is the other answers? Annette?
Get, ma'am.
How you get this 98? Aishwarya, let's try this one.
Ma'am, one second. Let me rewrite my answer. There's a mistake.
Okay.
Ma'am, 112.
112. Let us check. Okay. Let us check whether it's correct or not. What is the method you applied?
N is the 14th number
Okay.
and 14 into 2 is 28.
Okay, good. X.
X is 24th number. 24 into 2 is 48.
Okay.
Then for cut, C is the third number.
Ah.
So 3 into 2, 6.
Ah.
Then U is the 21st number. 21 into 2
Ah.
S.
42, isn't it? Okay. Then plus.
T is the 20th number. 20 into 2 is 40. So as a total, we get 88.
Okay. Now we'll check it for put. P. U. T.
Ma'am, I got 114.
Got 114. Is it using the same method?
Yes.
Yes.
And ma'am, it's 114.
114 is the correct answer. Are you getting this answer, Aparna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this one we call it as number coding. Instead of some alphabets, we are writing some numbers. Okay, this is another method. Instead of adding, we are multiplying and doing. Okay, now look at the next one. If Gomti is coded as 74521 and Yamuna is coded as 835963. 835963. How is Ganga coded? How is Ganga coded?
Seven three six seven three.
73673. How we are getting this answer, Karthik?
Already it is aligned.
Like,
G is 7.
yes,
A is 3.
very good. Okay, here already it is given. G is given, A is given, N is given, G is already there, A. So if you look at from the table and you can, not from the table, from the question itself, we can write the numbers. Is it okay? Aditya Satyan, this is another method. Okay, like this, so many methods are there. So you are just learning what is what. Okay, you are learning which are the different methods are there for coding and encoding. The first method is, what is the first method we learned? Letter coding. Second one, now we are learning. What's the name of the coding now we are learning?
Number coding.
Number coding. Number coding. The next one is group coding. Write the heading, group coding. Okay. Okay, here we will pass 2 or 3 messages. From the messages they will find out. For example, in a certain code language, 327 means truth is eternal. Truth is eternal. $327 means truth is eternal. 7983 means 7983 means enmity is not eternal. Enmity is not eternal. Is not eternal. Enmity is not eternal. 9426 means 9426 means truth does not perish. Truth does not perish. Truth does not perish. Now, what is the code for enmity? What is the code used for enmity? You have to think a little, isn't it? Is it interesting, children? How you feel this one? Huh? What about? Huh? How you feel this one? Annette, Aditya?
Interesting.
327 means truth is eternal. 7983 means enmity is not eternal. So some same word is repeated there. So you can understand what is the alphabet, what is the word used here. Truth does not perish. What will be the answer? Yes, Aditya? Your voice is breaking, Aditya. It is? What is your answer?
8.
8. It is correct. Are you getting this answer, Annette? 8?
No, ma'am.
No. Karthik?
No, ma'am.
Aishwarya, very good, Aditya. Huh? Aparna?
No, ma'am.
No. Then how? Can you explain, Aditya? Not Aditya Satyan? Anila Mohanan, you got the answer?
793.
796?
793 is there in first one and the third one.
Okay.
But 8 is not there
So,
in that both.
yes. Okay, you have to look out which is commonly present here. Truth is present. So, truth is commonly present here. We want to find the word. Okay, so which is the code we are using? That one you have to check. So, here 3 is present here. So, surely 3 will not come, isn't it? Then is there. Commonly present is there and eternal is also there. So, in these two cases, you have 7 as common, 9 is common. So, which is the word not present in these three? Eternal. And which is the alphabet left out? 8. Very good, Aditya. Okay. Now I'll give the next one. Okay, next one. Okay, let me check who is giving the answer. Okay, in a code language, she is mother. She is mother means Rahul told father. Rahul told father. She is mother means Rahul told father. She teaches chemistry. She teaches chemistry means Rahul plays football. Okay, Rahul plays football. Father plays, mother teaches science. Mother teaches science means father plays cricket. Father plays cricket. Now, what is the word used for coding as science?
Cricket.
It is cricket. Is it okay? It is cricket. So this type and all we are learning in logical reasoning. Okay, logical reasoning. Now, letters for digits. Write the next heading. This is letters for digits. 1, 2A, 6AB. When you add these two, you will get A09. What is A? And what is B?
A is 7.
A is 7.
B is 2.
B is 2. Check it whether you will get the answer. 1, 2, 7, 6, 7, 2. You should get 709. Is it correct? Will you get 0 here? When you add this, you should get 709, isn't it? Are you getting this? So somewhere some small mistake is there. We want 0 here, isn't it? 0 means it may be 10, isn't it? Think it. 10 means one carry over also you will get here, isn't it? So then find out.
A is equal to 8.
A is 8.
B is equal to 1.
B is equal to 1. A is equal to 8. B is equal to 1. Very good, Shubham. Shall I give the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. AB into 3. Multiplication. We are multiplying AB with 3. You will get CAB. Find A, B and C. When we multiply a number by 3, the same number should come, isn't it? You multiply 3 by a number, the same number you should get. Suppose, for example, I take 3 with 4, you'll get 12. So the number is different. So you can't take 4. Like that you think it. When you multiply by a number, the same number you should get.
A and B is 1.
A and B is 1. So 1, 1, 3 means we'll get only 33. No, C you will get, isn't it?
C is 1, A is 2, and B is 0.
B is 0. So A, what is the answer you gave?
A is 2,
2.
and C is 1.
C is 1. So when you multiply by 3, what you will get? Only 60 you will get.
No, so A is 4.
A is 4. So it is
120.
120. So 0 you will get. It is 12. But look at here, the same A you should get. Here if it is 4, here also you should get 4. Is or no? A you should get the same. 0. What is the next option? Find it out. Okay, I think, okay, you find out. Okay, in the next class, tomorrow's class, we can discuss similar questions. Find out, come with the answer. Aparna, is it okay, Aparna?
Yes, ma'am.
Karthik, what the answer?
Ma'am, A and B is 0.
A and B 0 means final answer will be 0, isn't it? It's not 0.
No, C is 3.
B is 5.
B is 5. Very good, Shubham. B is 5. Then, okay, come. Okay, tomorrow we'll be discussing this type of questions. Be ready.
A is 4.
A is
4.
4. Then, what about C?
1. 1.
1. You check your answer once again. Okay, small correction is there. Check it out. Okay, children, come with the answer. Shubham, try it again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, see, Shubham, you have to do the assignment. Max assignment, I have given one assignment. That one you have to submit it on 21st. Okay, bye. Bye, children.